To add a WhatsApp button to our Facebook page is pretty simple. You first have to locate your Facebook page that you want to add your WhatsApp button to. In this case, you have to navigate to the top right corner and tap on your profile menu, and then with this selected, proceed to tap on pages, and this will pull out all the available pages you have on Facebook. In my case, I want to add this button to a page by name 𝗕ciecie𝗸 So I'm going to tap on it, and then a pop-up menu will appear indicating whether I want to switch to 𝗕ciecie𝗸. Yes, I'm going to tap on switch, and this will take a bit of moment to finish switching to this page successfully. And while this page is successfully switched to, all I have to do is to navigate to the top left corner where I see this profile icon and tap on it. And with this selected, scroll down until you locate this 3 dot which is beside your add to story, and continue to tap on it. Then with this selected, you'll be redirected to an interface like this with a bunch of options. Make sure to tap on edit action button, and this is where the magic will happen. Proceed to tap on edit button, and this will pull out all the list of available buttons you can add to your Facebook page. In this case, you have message, send WhatsApp message, call, email, contact us, and a host of others. In this case, we want to restrict to only WhatsApp message. So we're going to make sure this WhatsApp message is selected, and we're going to untick all the other selected default we have here. After that, proceed to tap on save, and that's it. You have successfully added your WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give this video a like. See you in the next video.